How to remove your phone number from your Instagram account? Well, let me show you how it's done. But before I begin, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So first up, you open up your browser, and over here you go and type in Instagram. Once you type in Instagram, you click on this, but you do not select the Instagram app since it is the browser that we want to go. And once you're here, as I've already logged in, it is not asking me for the password, but it might ask for your login details. Just input them and it should work out. Well, after that, all you have to do is click on the bottom right corner, and over here you can see there is this thing called Edit Profile, and you press on Edit Profile. And once you're here, you click on your mobile number and press backspace, remove all the data that is there. And once you've done that, you click on Submit. It is important you click on Submit, because otherwise your changes will not be saved. And once you click on Submit, it'll take some time, and yeah, that's it. My profile is saved now. Now I can go on the original Instagram app and check it out. Over here I click on Edit Profile and I click on Personal Information Settings, and here you can see there is no phone number associated with my account. But you cannot do this directly through the app. It doesn't work. You can try it out if you want, but take my advice and go and do it in your browser. It'll work out for sure. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit like on this video, and comment down below on what next videos we should make. And that's pretty much it. Bye bye.